Hey, what's up everyone, Zulfikar here and welcome again to the FN channel. So in this video, I will be unboxing the latest smartwatch, the Haylou Solar LS05. Alright guys, here are the front packaging of the smartwatch itself. At the top here we have the logo there, and at the bottom we have the model name. So at the side here we have the Haylou logo, so at the other side also we have the Haylou logo, and at the back here we have the specification of the smartwatch here. We have the metal body, 12 modes of sports, 30 days of standby battery, and all-day heart rate monitor. So let's open it up. So we are firstly feast with the smartwatch. So they're really nice unboxing experience. The watch looks pretty premium for me. It has a nice build quality. So let's put that aside first and see what else. So firstly we have the charging cable, a magnetic charging cable. So I do really like the magnetic, it's very convenient. And here are the user manual. So it is all written in English because this model is a global version. So let's put all this stuff aside and take a look at the smartwatch. It is full black. Yeah, I really like the color here. Let's take off the sticker there. Have a focus on the power button is pretty solid. So at the back we have the heart rate sensor there at the center there, and there's a 2-pin there for the magnetic charger to charge this smartwatch. I think this watch have 3 sensors there to get a better heart rate measurement there. So let's turn it on. So first we have to pair up with the apps itself. So they're giving us the QR code. We have to scan it and search for the apps at the Play Store. So the app's name is the Haylou Fit. So first off we need to log in. Whatever we can also link with our Facebook account. So I just link up with my Facebook account. It will be much more easier and more convenient. And next up we have to key in our data, our sex, our height, our weight. So yeah, now then we can pair up with our smartwatch here. Alright, we're done. Pretty quick. So here are the watch face here. So when we swipe up, we go to the menus. swipe to the right, we have the take a break here, and this is the weather, sleep monitor, the heart rate measurement, the heart rate sensor there, heart rate monitor, sorry, the heart rate monitor. Here are the steps and distance and the calories. So we swipe from downwards, we have the other menu bar. This one for the brightness. This one is searching our smartphone, so it will ring up, so we can find our phone when we lost them. Very convenient. And next up here are the silent no disturb mode, and you have this saying, this one is the watch face. This watch have 5 different watch face to choose from. Here are the second watch face. So another way to change it, we have to hold down for a few seconds the touch screen here, and we can swipe to the right or to the left to choose the face watch. Although some people dislike if the less was face watch to choose from, but some people don't mind, because what do you want to do if we have too many watch face? We won't use it anyway. So next up we have the menu section there. We have the status to check our distance, our calories, and next up we have the sports, 12 different type of sport to choose from. Next up we have the weather, we have the sleep tracking monitor. This one is the notification center to see if any messages we can read up from the watch itself. This one is the music setting, control music there, and this is the additional features you can choose on. There's a stopwatch there. Lastly is the settings. So try it out with the sports here. So let's try to wear them. Yeah, it's pretty good. I really like this watch because of its simplicity there. It's not that bulky. So next up we try the heart rate sensor here and measure my heart rate. So I think it's pretty accurate. Alright guys, here are the bonus feature here. So I tried using another strap here from another smartwatch, and it fits just okay, because I use this DT78 strap here. It has the same size, but I really need to chunk it to snap it inside the smartwatch hole there, because the original one, it has a bit of curve to fit in to the smartwatch, but I think this strap is still usable. Alright guys, here are the specifications of the smartwatch. Alright guys, my final thought on this product. It's a really cool product. It has a very nice build quality, a minimalist design, and a changeable strap there. quite large display, and the con says that it is not an OLED display, it's only LCD. If you are not willing to spend more, I think this is a good product for you guys that really needs to save money but get all the basics features. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I see you guys in the next video.